How to download YouTube Shorts. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can download YouTube Short video. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch and open up your YouTube application and make sure that you're logged in. After that, tap on the search icon at the bottom, and here now select the short that you want to download. All you have to do is like these shorts. Now once you have liked the shorts that you want to download, now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right here, go to your playlist and then tap on your liked videos. Once you're here, now you have to open the short video that you have liked previously. Tap on it. After that, if you scroll down a bit, there you will have an option to download these shorts. Tap on download. And now select the quality, then tap on download. And with that, now the short video is downloaded. And that's how you can download short video. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.